In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Kali Linux to Wi-Fi in VirtualBox. Firstly, go to VirtualBox's official website and download the extension pack for your version of VirtualBox. Open it, then go to File, Preferences, Extensions, and install it. If you're running VirtualBox on Linux, you'll need to add your user to the VBox users group to access the USB devices. Run the command sudo usermod ag vbox users, then user. Then restart your system for changes to take effect. Now start your Kali Linux VM, but don't log in yet. Click on Devices, USB, and look for the your adapter. The name may not show as the brand, but rather the chipset name. Select your Wi-Fi adapter from the list to attach it to the VM. Try and plug in and replug in it. If the adapter is not listed, then restart VirtualBox with administrator root privileges. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.